and my friend, we love to learn. We are happy when we learn. I and my friend, we love to learn. We are happy every time. I and my friend.
Yes! I did it! I built an Icugutu! Let me go test it! Ouch! My Icugutu! My Icugutu! No!
What was that? That sounds like Wakame. He might be in trouble. Let's go check on him. Wakame, are you okay? We heard you screaming. What happened?
I was testing my Icugutu and I hit a rock.
Oh, I'm sorry, Wakame. Are you hurt?
Don't worry about me, I'm okay. But my Icugutu isn't.
Yo, it looks broken. But Wakame, why were you riding an Icugutu anyway?
I wanted a means of transport to take me to different places easily.
Means of transport? What do you mean?
Yes, means of transport help people or goods to move from one place to another. For example, you can ride an Icugutu and go anywhere faster than going on foot.
Really?
Yeah. Also, a bicycle is one of the smallest means of transport. It helps us carry items that are not heavy. Then, cars are some of the most popular means of transport, the same as buses.
Oh, like a school bus?
Yes, exactly.
Are trucks also means of transport?
Yes, they are.
Wakame, what about aeroplanes?
Yes, aeroplanes are also means of transport.
An airplane is much bigger and it flies in the air. It carries people and their luggage over a long distance. Boats are also means of transport, right?
Indeed! Boats are used to travel on water.
Now I understand why you made an Icugutu. It helps when you have a means of transport.
That's right. Having a means of transport helps you to carry things and move from one place to another. Now I can't go anywhere.
Wakame, we are going to help you fix your Icugutu, okay?
Oh, really?
Yes!
Hey, that's nice.
Aha! Nice Wakame. For our safety, we should always wear a helmet when we are riding an Icugutu, a bicycle, or a motorbike.
Woohoo!
Quiz time! Yes! By Bicycles are the biggest means of transport. A. True. B. False. B. Correct. The right answer is B. Bicycles are not the biggest means of transport. They are among the smallest. Which of the following means of transport travel by air? A. A bus. B. A boat. C. An airplane. C. Correct! The right answer is C. An airplane travels by flying in the air.